Welcome to the Braumm Wi-Fi door and window alarm app pairing instructions video. To start the pairing process, open the Braumm app and tap the plus sign. Select Security and Sensor. Then select Contact Sensor. Press and hold button 1 for 3 seconds until the light flashes. Then tap Confirm Indicator Rapidly Blink. Please note that the app is compatible with 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi only. Rename device. You are now connected. If the easy setup is failing to pair, here's an alternative pairing method. Make sure your device is not in low power mode. Then slide the switch to home mode. Tap the plus sign. Select Security and Sensor. Then select Contact Sensor. Tap Otherwise. Press AP mode. Next, press and hold the number 4 button for 3 seconds or until the light flashes. Then, tap Confirm Indicator Rapidly Blink. Enter the Wi-Fi password, then press Confirm. Connect to the Smart Life network. You are now connected. Here's how to reset the passcode. First, remove the batteries to deactivate the device. Then press and hold any button while reinstalling the batteries. You will hear the sensor beep 10 times. Release the button when you hear rapid beeping. Enter the new 4-digit passcode. The sensor will beep twice to confirm the new passcode. You are now ready to enjoy your new smart device.